Hey everyone, it's Kira here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a 3D space in 3D Scene. So what I've actually done is I've typed in planet texture on Google and found images that look like this. So basically it's just a long image, so when you make it a sphere, it looks nice. So what you can do is click keyframe, convert to 3D object, and select a sphere, and then it looks perfect. Now, for this, I'm just going to leave the size, but if you go to custom, you can see that it is a sphere and that it's a planet. Now, I'm going to duplicate it and replace the image to get other planets. Okay, so now that we've got different planets, what I'm going to do is rearrange them and move them around the scene. And then for the moon, I'm just going to move it maybe a bit lower and a bit forward, like this. So now if you go into custom, you can see the planets are 3D, and that's how you create a 3D planet scene in 3D Scene. So also with Saturn, if you want to create that, you can go to shape, click circle, and then what you can do is extrude it if you want it to be a bit thicker. Increase the scale and use rotation X, and that's how you create a Saturn-like planet. Now if you want to move them, you can parent them all and move it like that. But that's how you create a 3D space scene. Thanks for watching.